Citron Vines is one of my favorite prints, just in general. When I first moved to California with my husband, something that I was just blown away with was all of the beautiful citrus plants that they have here. Lemons and oranges and grapefruits and all of these fun, beautiful trees. And so designing that print was just a way for me to memorialize some of my favorite time and memories that I've had here in California. So something that I really enjoyed about the journey of our collaboration was designing prints specifically for Cork and making sure that the cork was the star, which I think is unusual because a lot of times when you're designing, your design covers whatever it is, right? So whether it's like a cell phone case or wallpaper or fabric, even normal fabric, it just covers it completely. But with cork, the whole idea is to help it shine, and I really loved that. So this is my first time working with cork as a substrate. I have worked with fabric and I've worked with other things, but it was definitely an adventure with cork. I love working with cork as far as bags and sewing and things like that, so it was really fun to design prints specifically for cork. With Citron Vines, it's hard because it's a print that I already love, and so I feel like I could see it becoming lots of different things. I was thinking a wallet or a farmer's market tote would be so cute. I'm so excited to see Citron Vines come to life on cork. I think it's going to be so beautiful, and I cannot wait to get my hands on it so that I can make all sorts of amazing things.